Hey, I'm Bubba, and over here at Bubba's Tires, we specialize in, well, tires. That's right, tires. We got all kinds of tires. We got big tires, we got small tires, we got medium tires, we got all kinds of tires. Why don't you come on down and get your tires today? That's right, at Bubba's Tires, right off of I-95, right there between Sassawan and I don't know. Hi, I'm Bubba, and over here at Bubba's Tires, we specialize in one thing and one thing only. Tires. That's right, tires. We have so many tires. We got big tires, we got small tires, we got medium tires. Come on over and get you some tires. Don't you want to get some tires for your car? Maybe just put some tires in your front yard to burn. I don't know. Just come on and get your tires. We've got all kinds of tires. Discount tires, full price tires, half price tires. We got all kinds of tires. Come on over here and get your tires today.